What is this place? I'll take a look. Seems awesome. I'm going in. Perhaps I've made a mistake. I'm going to leave now. Alright, so I'm going to share how I made that little video. We're going to start over here, and we're going to take a look at a drawing I made and explain everything. I used just the basic draw tool and primitive artistic talent in order to create this diagram. That was then exported to the photo roll, and from the photo roll I was able to import that as a background into tellagami, and I created a few clips in here, and most of them actually I exported directly to the photo roll. The one clip I did import into Explain Everything, but let me rewind here, because another app that was used was Safari, and went to a website called openclipart.org, and there you can get all sorts of open source cartoons and graphics, and you can save those directly to the photo roll, and they'll retain their transparency, which is really neat. So those went to the photo roll, and you can see in my photo roll it was starting to pile up with screenshots and clip art. There you can see all the monsters I downloaded. So let's see where we are. Okay, so then one of the video scenes was back and Explain Everything. So the video behind here was actually an inserted video object, and then each of the cartoons was an inserted image on top of the video, and then I played back the video and animated the guys. So let's see, and from Explain Everything, that video file got exported to the photo roll, and then all of the final assembling was done in iMovie. But first I decided to write some original music in GarageBand, so I just did a little 4-track recording that could loop. And from GarageBand, you can export those songs directly into iMovie, which is really neat. And, oops, I didn't mean to move that. And let's see. So then we brought them into iMovie, and you can see here, I arranged all my clips. These audio tracks here are the ones that I imported from GarageBand. I actually did it twice so that I could change the volume once it went from an exterior to an interior, and I actually redid the voiceover using iMovie just to time it better, and I added titles also to each track. You can actually see the little T. Oops, I keep circling. You can see the T there to indicate that those video clips each have a title. And then finally, so then I made this little flow chart here back and Explain Everything, and I'm doing this narration and Explain Everything and stitching this exported video back to the original iMovie, and then export it to YouTube, which is where you're currently watching it. Give it a try.